Hello, so today we are going to learn about what actually makes your knuckles crack. Let me tell you, the cracking sound that you hear when you apply pressure to your knuckles is actually caused by bubbles in your synovial fluid. Here you can see in the picture, bursting from the added pressure or by pulling your bones apart. This synovial fluid is responsible for lubricating your joints. So here is a question like how it affects your joints. Let me tell you. Although cracking your knuckles regularly can be relatively harmless, but it can also cause damage if it's done incorrectly or too frequently. For example, if you pull or crack your knuckles incorrectly, you can actually cause a ligament injury or even dislocate your fingers. Thank you. Follow for more.